I'm David Pfitzner, his younger brother.
I'm Andrew Pfitzner.
Pfitzner Furniture Manufacturers. Our father John started it in 1972 from his shed in the Adelaide Hills, where predominantly he made bespoke furniture.
Our company mission is that we make furniture for people that value the finer points of quality, comfort and style. Our key offering is dining room furniture, and we're specialists in solid timber.
This is such a nice part of the city and people come here for all sorts of reasons, and it's just a great spot to be. The key to our business's success and longevity has been that our values as a business are unchanged. We think about all the different bits and pieces that go to making a piece of furniture that's going to survive and serve the customer's purpose for many years to come.
What we love most about operating here in Norwood is the close proximity to our workshop, close to the customer. We do home measures all over Adelaide and it's quite central for that. It's just a nice place to be actually. Right back when we were little kids and the workshop was on the farms. Dad had a cockatoo called Jack, and Jack would sit outside in the cage and he would make the same sound that Dad made with the saw. And we thought Dad was working in the shed, but Dad wasn't even in there. It was the cockatoo making the sawing noises. The story is we make a lot of furniture ourselves and it's bespoke, but we also have other ranges. And these are products that we've been selling for 25 years and we believe in them. We have some exciting new designs that we've been working on. Extension type tables. We find there's a lot of need for people downsizing, particularly in the Norwood, Payneham, St Peters area with the growth of the apartments. We plan to offer that in the very near future, and we're excited by that opportunity to help people furnish their homes exactly like they want them.